Hello Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you for your support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all, Gemini. Pauna mensahe po ninyo ay take action. Ayan. So, now is the time that you are being asked here to take action. Okay? Maaari kasi na marami kayong magagandang plano, meron kayong mga magagandang ideas, pero baka hindi naman kayo gumagawa ng paraan, 'di ba? Para matupad ninyo 'yon or madala ninyo sa inyong 3D reality. Kung ano man yung mga plano or ideas ninyo, hindi ba? Kaya you are being invited here to take action. Kasi maaari din na meron ka ng mga oportunidad out there. Maybe there are various opportunities and possibilities na nandiyan na sa inyong harapan, 'di ba? Kaya sayang, 'di ba? Sayang if you are not going to take action para kunin mo or i-take advantage mo kung ano man ang mga biyaya or kung ano man ang mga opportunities and possibilities na nandiyan na, 'di ba? Hindi mo rin mai-enjoy, 'di ba? Kung ano man itong mga pinapangarap ninyo or mga dreams or goals ninyo, 'di ba? If wala kayong gagawin. Kasi if there's no action, then there's no progress, there's no development, 'di ba? Walang growth, nothing. So, what else? We have asked for help from others, no? Kung sa tingin ninyo, kailangan ninyo ng tulong, humingi kayo ng tulong. Okay? Don't hesitate to ask for help. Always remember that we are all entitled for help. Okay? We are all entitled for help. Kahit nga very powerful na mga tao, no, at some point sa buhay natin, mangangailangan din sila ng tulong, no, ng ibang tao. Kaya wag kayong mahihiya. We are all entitled for help, no? At help is always available to us, no? Laging meron taong pwedeng tumulong sa iyo. Meron taong i-align ng divine universe along your path para makatulong sa iyo. Kaya huwag kayong mahihiyang humingi ng tulong whenever you need help. Okay? We have meditation brings answers. Okay? So, siguro din marami kayong katanungan, ano? Maaaring marami kayong katanungan sa sarili ninyo. Maaaring marami kayong katanungan sa divine universe, you know? At mag-meditate kayo, no? Mag-meditate kayo because you can't find those answers, no, sa inyong mga tanong sa ibang tao. You can't find it by asking people, 'di ba? Para maibigay sa iyo yung kasagutan. But you can just go deep within you, no, mag-meditate kayo and your soul knows kung ano ang sagot dito. Kaya try ninyo mag-meditate and you will be able to find the answers that you are seeking. Okay? So what else? We have breathe. The breath is the vital bridge between your body and soul. It's the connection between the inside and outside, connecting you to the universe, spirit, and the divine source. The breath permeates your entire being with prana, which is the same life-giving force that nourishes everything in the universe. Okay? So, siguro, ang iba sa inyo, Gemini, sobrang pagod, no? Siguro you're stressed out. Maybe you have so many things that you are looking after or you're looking into, kaya maaring marami kayong bitbit, no, na bagahe sa dibdib niyo or marami kayong load, no, sa inyong balikat. Kaya siguro kailangan muna ninyo na magpahinga. You need to step back a little, no, para makapagpahinga kayo. Okay? At makahingang malalim man lang, 'di ba? So what else? We have fun. Stop. When was the last time you had fun? When was the last time you took a chance and did something silly? Something totally unlike you, something just for the joy of it. It's long overdue for you to let go of your analytical mind and give yourself and your soul permission to have fun. Kasi siguro sobrang seryoso kayo lagi, sobrang ang dami ninyong talagang responsibilidad siguro or obligasyon. Marami kayong ginagawa, na marami kayong trabaho, obligasyon, responsibilidad, and you don't even have time to have fun, and you don't even have time to enjoy life as it is, no, na hindi lang puro trabaho, no. Kaya ito parang pinupukaw kayo para maalala ninyo kailan nga ba, 'di ba? When was the last time you had fun in your life, 'di ba? So self-sabotage, when you learn to get out of your own way, there will be no stopping you. Most of the time, it's not others who prevent you from achieving your true goals. It's that inner voice that derails those carefully woven plans. Okay? So, siguro, ang iba sa inyo, nagne-negative thinking. No? Negativity is going to sabotage everything. Kahit ano kaganda ng mga ginagawa ninyo, or kahit ano kaganda ng mga pinaplano ninyong gawin, when you are thinking negatively, no, maaring hindi nyo yan maituloy na mga gusto ninyong gawin. Maaring hindi nyo maituloy yung mga pinaplano ninyo because, 'di ba, yung pagdududa, yung takot, maaring umano yan, sumingit yan, 'di ba, sa mga iniisip ninyo. And that is self-sabotaging. And that is negative energy. No? Kaya learn to transmute, no, that negativity, that negative thoughts, feelings, and emotions into something positive para hindi ninyo masabotage ang mga magagandang plano or magagandang energies na maaaring bumalot sa inyo sana. 'Di ba? So, good luck. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.